gonna poop? Here. She's gonna poop, I think. Dad. Here.
Get it in, you kid.
Good? Bad? Good girl. Mmm. Yum, Dad. Mm. You like this stuff? It's got flavor. What's on the menu, Dad?
Mango de fromage.
You like mango.
Mango curd puree. That's what we need to get.
That would be good. It would be.